This is where the journey begins, not on a fishing boat, but in the cold, clean halls of a processing facility. Here, the raw material, frozen solid from its long voyage, is prepared for its transformation. From the deep freeze, hundreds of premium salmon arrive daily, each box a promise of quality, each fish a canvas for the skilled hands that await. The process begins with an act of powerful precision, a bandsaw that separates head from body, a necessary step that readies the salmon for the true artistry to come. Before the delicate work of filleting can begin, the outer layer must be addressed. A specialized scraper, wielded with strength and rhythm, removes the scales, revealing the pristine skin beneath. The frozen salmon returns to the bandsaw, this time for a different purpose. With practiced ease, the worker guides the fish, slicing it into perfect, uniform steaks, a task that demands both confidence and control. The steaks, perfect cross-sections of vibrant flesh and rich fat, move down the line, each one a testament to the efficiency of the system, ready to be weighed and sorted. But other fish are destined for a different path. On this line, the focus shifts from mass production to individual craft, where whole salmon will be transformed into flawless fillets. This is a master's dance. The knife, an extension of the hand, glides along the spine, not cutting through bone, but following its natural contours. It's a conversation between the craftsman and the fish, a display of anatomical knowledge and muscle memory honed over thousands of hours. With a few swift, decisive motions, the skin is separated, and the first fillet is freed, a perfect, unbroken expanse of rich orange meat. The knife continues its work, removing the rib bones in a single, fluid motion. Every cut is deliberate, minimizing waste while maximizing the beauty of the final product. The second side receives the same expert attention, the process repeated with an unwavering consistency that borders on perfection. What remains is the fish's skeleton, stripped clean by a skilled hand, a sign that every possible ounce of precious meat has been preserved. Now the work becomes even more detailed. After the broad strokes of the knife, the focus narrows to the smallest imperfections. Using tweezers, the craftsman meticulously removes the tiny pin bones, ensuring a flawless eating experience for the eventual consumer. The final step in this stage is trimming, where the belly fat, or harasu, is carefully removed. This prized fatty cut is not discarded but saved, representing another valuable part of the fish. The finished fillets, now deboned and perfectly trimmed, are inspected one last time. This is the pinnacle of the processor's art, a testament to the human touch that transforms a whole fish into a culinary masterpiece. Each fillet is carefully placed into a vacuum bag, preserving its freshness and vibrant color, ready to begin the final leg of its journey from the factory to the kitchen. The result is a range of products, from pristine fillets to rich salmon heads, each one promising a taste of the ocean, made possible by the skill of these unseen artisans. And this is where that journey culminates. From the industrial precision of the factory floor, the salmon arrives in the home kitchen, ready to be transformed once more. Seasoned simply with salt and pepper, the quality of the fish is allowed to shine. In a pan of hot butter, the fillets are seared, creating a perfect golden brown crust that locks in moisture and flavor. A simple sauce is built around the fish, fresh greens, sweet cherry tomatoes, and fragrant garlic wilted in the same pan. Rich cream is poured in, simmering and reducing to create a luxurious sauce that complements the salmon perfectly. The seared salmon is returned to the pan, nestled into the creamy sauce to gently finish cooking and absorb all the beautiful flavors. Plated with care, it's a dish that honors the ingredient. Simple, elegant, and deeply satisfying. This is the purpose of all that work, a moment of pure culinary enjoyment. But the versatility of salmon offers other possibilities. Here, it becomes the star of a humble yet beloved dish. Salmon rice cooked directly in a rice cooker for a simple one-pot meal. A savory blend of soy sauce and mirin is added, seasoning the rice and infusing the entire dish with a deep, umami flavor. After cooking, the tender salmon is flaked and gently folded into the perfectly cooked rice and mushrooms, creating a harmonious blend of textures and tastes. Every spoonful is a comforting mix of savory rice, earthy mushrooms, and rich, flaky salmon. A simple meal elevated by a superior ingredient. And back at the factory, nothing is wasted. The salmon heads and collars, prized for their rich flavor and gelatinous texture, are carefully packaged, destined for soups and grills where their unique qualities will be appreciated. The final products are sealed, the air removed to lock in freshness, creating a stable, high-quality product ready for distribution. From a frozen block to a perfectly prepared meal, it is a journey of transformation, driven by the quiet, dedicated skill of the craftspeople who work behind the scenes.